Hey, this is Lane from Great White North War Games, and I am going to work on airbrushing some sandbags for some terrain. And so I 3D printed these. I'll try to put the Thingiverse link in my description. I just finished priming them, a little bit to dry still, but got some sand on there. And then I'm going to layer it up. Should be quick and easy and hopefully turn out really good. All right, the first thing I plan to do is use this Vallejo leather brown Game Air, and I'm going to base coat the sandbags with that. And then I plan to use some Daler Rowney burnt umber acrylic ink, and I love the acrylic inks, and so they work really good with the airbrush. And so I plan to underspray that in the crevices and underneath for shadows. And then I hope to come back with some bone white, some Game Air bone white, and do the tops and just do a light amount on the tops. And so hopefully that'll give a nice highlight. If I find that the bone white's too much, I'll put a brown filter, which is really watery brown paint. Probably use the burnt umber and really water it down, and then slowly spray over time over that. Use a hair dryer in between, and let it just build up to dull down those highlights if they're a little too extreme. We'll see how it goes. All right, so that is been base coated with the leather brown. Looks pretty good. Ready for some shadows and whatnot. I mean, this is terrain. I'm not going to go crazy detail in this because it's really the third wheel on the table between two armies. So I want to make sure that it doesn't draw too much attention, of course. So we'll continue on and we'll move on to some burnt umber. All right, so I got some under highlights, I don't know, shadows of burnt umber. And so got in the nooks and crannies on the sides there. And now I'm gonna come down, top down with some bone white. That's what I got available here. And so I was thinking about doing dry brushing, but I think I'm gonna airbrush this and see how it goes. And again, if it doesn't work out, I'll just filter it down so that it isn't so bright. We'll see how it turns out on the next round here. All right, here we are. I think we're done. Again, I don't really want to go too far into this. It's just terrain. I don't need it to look that great. I was considering painting the sand a dark brown and dry brushing it up to light, but I don't know. I'm gonna compare it to my desert board. I don't know. I think it looks pretty good as is. It doesn't need to stand out and match too much. So there you go, just a few colors, really simple. It probably took me at most 10 minutes. And so just let you know that's just a quick and easy way to make some sandbags. Again, if you're a 3D printer, you can print this off Thingiverse. Really quick and easy, it's free. If the link is still up, I'll post the link. I printed this about a year ago, but if the link's still up, I'll put it in the description. And thank you so much for watching. If you don't have 3D printer access, you can check us out at gwnwargames.weebly.com and look at our catalog. And so we can print, we're official license for Warlayer and Corvus War Games. And so if that interests you, check us out. Love to have you come by. And thanks again for watching this, and take care.